The overpopulation of dogs is a significant and widespread issue that affects many countries around the world. It refers to an imbalance between the number of dogs available for adoption or ownership and the number of suitable homes or resources available to care for them. The consequences of dog overpopulation are far-reaching and impact both the welfare of individual dogs and the community as a whole. Causes of dog overpopulation. Irresponsible breeding. Irresponsible breeding practices, such as uncontrolled breeding by backyard breeders or puppy mills, contribute to the overpopulation problem. These breeders often prioritize profit over the welfare of the dogs, leading to an excessive supply of puppies without adequate demand. Lack of spaying and neutering. Failure to spay or neuter dogs is a significant contributor to overpopulation. Unaltered dogs can reproduce, resulting in litters of puppies that may end up homeless or surrendered to shelters. Lack of education. A lack of awareness and education about responsible dog ownership, including the importance of spaying and neutering, can contribute to the overpopulation problem. Some people may not fully understand the implications of uncontrolled breeding or the consequences of abandoning or surrendering dogs. Consequences of dog overpopulation. Shelter overcrowding. Dog overpopulation often leads to overcrowded animal shelters and rescue organizations. These facilities may struggle to accommodate the large number of dogs in need, resulting in limited resources, cramped living conditions, and increased euthanasia rates to manage space limitations. Stray and feral dog populations. In areas with high dog overpopulation, stray and feral dog populations can become a significant issue. Stray dogs may struggle to find adequate food, shelter, and medical care, leading to suffering and increased risk of disease transmission. Feral dogs, those born and raised in the wild, can also pose risks to public safety and wildlife. Increased euthanasia. Unfortunately, due to limited resources and space, euthanasia may be employed as a last resort in overcrowded shelters to control population levels. This practice can be distressing for shelter staff and heartbreaking for those who care about animal welfare. Efforts to address dog overpopulation. Spaying and neutering programs. Encouraging and facilitating spaying and neutering initiatives is crucial in reducing dog overpopulation. These programs aim to make these procedures accessible and affordable, including subsidized or low-cost options. Adoption and rescue. Promoting adoption of dogs from shelters and rescue organizations helps provide loving homes to animals in need. Adoption events, awareness campaigns, and education about the benefits of adopting can help increase adoption rates. Responsible ownership. Educating the public about responsible dog ownership, including the importance of spaying, neutering, training, and commitment, can help prevent unintended litters and reduce the number of dogs in need of homes. Public awareness and legislation. Raising public awareness about the consequences of dog overpopulation and the importance of responsible ownership can help drive positive change. Some jurisdictions have implemented laws and regulations, such as mandatory spay, neuter programs or breeder licensing, to address the issue. Collaboration and support. Collaboration between animal welfare organizations, government agencies, and communities is crucial in implementing effective strategies to combat dog overpopulation. Support from volunteers, donations, and advocacy can also make a significant difference. Addressing the overpopulation of dogs requires a multifaceted approach that combines responsible breeding practices, widespread spaying and neutering, education, adoption efforts, and community involvement. By working together, we can make a positive impact on the lives of dogs and create a more compassionate society for them.